underneath the glove box, take this trim piece off. You can use a trim tool or just pry it down. There's a couple clips that hold it in. Disconnect the blower motor, just push down on this tab, or you can use a screwdriver. And slide that out. There's 3 screws. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those screws out. And just grab the blower motor and slide it down. Transfer this plate over from the other one. It just slides right off. Just line it up and reinstall it. Slide it in position. And put the screws in. Get them all started. And tighten the screws down. Just snug. Take the connector, line it up, and lock it in. Now line up this cover. There's a little tab right here that goes through that square. And then line up the tabs and lock it down.